Welcome aboard Flight 2020. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Captain Emmanuel. Thank you for choosing Salvation Airline, and I assure you comfort as bestowed in John 3:16 and John 10:10. Flight 2020 will be taking off from January Airport to December Airport. Please be reminded that during our flight, we will land in 12 interesting sites, taking us to a total of 365 amazing days. We shall be cruising at countless blessings per day at 1,000,000 miles above sorrow level. The weather may be cloudy, but grace is sufficient. There may be some turbulence, but divine intervention is certain. The Prince of Peace will speak, "Peace be still," to your storms. The angels are our cabin crew. They will supply all your needs according to His riches in glory. You shall not want. Our menu includes peace, grace, mercy, favor and sound health, success and prosperity. Amazingly, they are all free, courtesy of Captain Emmanuel. Note that this is no whipping, no morning flight. Please fasten your prayer belt. You and all the members of your family will land safely. For more information about your safety on board, please contact your safety manual, the Bible, on a daily basis. In Jesus, there shall be no losses. Please advertise the flight to all you know. Enjoy the flight.